Delhi is set to launch a comprehensive campaign to tackle air pollution with a focus on making the entire ring road dust-free. Now, in order to achieve this, special directives have been issued to the MCD, that is the Municipal Corporation of Delhi, and the PWD to run a dedicated campaign. Now, several initiatives are planned, including roadside revamp, traffic management, real-time monitoring, and strict emissions check. The Delhi government has emphasized that making the city clean and pollution-free is its top priority. This campaign builds on previous initiatives such as the Green War Room launched in 2023 to combat air pollution. And my colleague Anushka Garg joins us to get us more on this story. Anushka, we have seen such plans in the past, such initiatives in the past. How effective can this particular campaign be?
That's right, Osama. We are seeing the Delhi government cracking down on the pollution issue. And remember, because we are also seeing that pollution is a year-round problem in Delhi NCR. We saw a recent list coming showing that Delhi was among the top most polluted capital cities, in the world. And also we are seeing that now the Delhi government and the Chief Minister Rekha Gupta has said that they will be tracking pollution on a yearly basis. All the road-owning agencies such as MCD, PWD, and DD are given strict, strict guidance as to what all needs to be done. The mechanized sweeping of the roads, the plantation of trees, alongside the road barriers should be in fact implemented. The sprinklers should be active year around, not just around the time when the pollution is at its peak. Now remember, we also saw during March this year, after 5 years, we are seeing a satisfactory day. We saw yesterday, and the CAQM has had yesterday only revoked the stage 1 of GRAP. And also we are seeing that because this is a year-round problem, and the Delhi government and the BJP government also in its election campaign had said that pollution will be among the key issues that they will be tackling once they form the government. And now we are seeing that the Chief Minister Rekha Gupta has also in fact taken initiative of this particular factor. The ring road is the first road that will be in fact made dust free, because dust is the big issue, and it also in fact relates to the PM 2.5, contributes to the PM 2.5 particulate matters that causes health problems also amongst the people. But we're also seeing that the Delhi government has said that they will be working on this on a yearly basis. Tree plantations will be done, mechanized road sweeping will be done. Also, the Delhi government has said that they will be paying attention to planting more and more trees. All the road-owning agencies such as MCD, DDA and PWD are given instructions that this should be followed year-round. PUCs are strictly being checked. All the vehicles which don't have PUC will be heavily fined. And also we are seeing that in one house, the third vehicle should be completely EV. That is the norm that will be implemented very soon. So we are seeing the Delhi government working heavily to make Delhi dust-free and pollution-free this time around.